Developers is building 10 towers for its affordable luxury housing project called Sovereign Sona for 1100 families. The other project from the company, Sovereign Unnati, is also nearing completion and will be ready for the 1600 families to move in by July. The housing projects are going to be the stepping stone for Sovereign to enter the hotel segment shortly.
Hectic pace of work at Sovereign Sona site, northwest Bengaluru, off the Bengaluru-Tumkur National Highway. The 10-tower project with apartments which will have 27 floors each is located at a walking distance from the Manjunath Nagar metro station, making commuting within the bustling metro easy. The project has 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom apartments across 9 acres of land, which will be home to 1100 families. 39% area will have construction, while the rest will be open for greens and amenities. The 3-bedroom apartments will be spread over 1151 square feet, while the 2-bedroom apartments are spread over 925 square feet.
In 2010 we launched Unnati very mega project, and we sold out within 28 days. And it is going to ready 2013 July, and already 2 mega projects is also going on. One is Sovereign Sona in northwest Bangalore and Sovereign Lakeview in north Bangalore. In this financial year we are planning to bring 2 mega projects. One is a villa project and one apartment project, both we are bringing.
The Sovereign Unnati project is spread over 12.5 acre land and is located at the Hormova Kelkar Road in North Bengaluru. There are 1600 apartments planned at the site, of which will be built across 26 towers. The 2-bedroom apartments will be spread over 856 square feet, while the 3-bedroom apartments will have an area of 1700 square feet. 80% of the land parcel will be dedicated to the greens to make sure residents have enough open space. To make sure that it meets the deadlines, Sovereign Developers is keeping a tight control on the entire construction process.
We have completed more than 7.4 million square feet of residential area, and we have delivered to our customers. And our main strength is 100% in-house constructions. It gives 100% confidence to our customers to keep cost and time under control.
At the location, the sample apartment is ready for potential buyers to take a look. When the apartments are ready, it could look something like this, depending on how you choose to work on the interiors of your home. While the interiors of the home will be to the choice of the residents, several other amenities have been planned at Sovereign Sona. The common area will offer facilities including swimming pool, toddler's pool, clubhouse, gymnasium, indoor and outdoor game area, party hall, children's play area, jogging track, besides the convenience stores. Sovereign Developers is looking to launch other projects soon, is already looking to step beyond the housing sector.
Recently we have entered in the hospitality sector also. We are going to start, our hotels are going to operational by 2014 in Ooty and Bangalore. We stand by our company motto, driven by excellence in all the activities.
The focus for Sovereign Developers has been affordable housing, and over the last 7 years, it has delivered 74 lakh square feet of affordable housing projects. Bengaluru has a new destination for affordable